Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today in this video I'm going to talk to you about 5 high-paying work-from-home jobs that you can do and get started today if you want to. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I work from home doing one of these, actually 2 of these ways to make money from home and make extra money for my family. And it really helps out, guys. So if I can do it, I think you can do it too. So I'm going to give you tips on how to do each one. And so let's get started. Number 1 is being a virtual assistant. Yes, you could totally be a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is actually a very broad name. And it could be, you could be actually doing a lot of multiple things. So you could be doing something very simple as in like approving people into like a Facebook group. Like you could just do little tasks online like that, or go through somebody's email, manage their emails, and or maybe some kind of data entry, just put this data from like copy and pasting from one place to another. So there's a variety of things that you can do as a virtual assistant. So that's definitely number 1. And number 2 is going to be social media manager. These types of jobs are really in demand nowadays because social media is a huge online draw for traffic, for visitors, for companies and brands. So they need to have online presence on these social media platforms, but they're really too busy to post either daily or frequently on their accounts. So they need somebody to curate content for them, or post for them, or make little images for them to post like on Instagram. I mean, those little images take no time to do, guys. So you could be a social media manager, and it's definitely a great way to make money from home. And the third thing that you can do from home is by being a freelancer. Yes, as a freelancer, you can pretty much do any skill that you can offer. Okay, so whatever you're good at, you can offer that service. And you can go on platforms like Fiverr.com. How do you spell Fiverr? Is Fiverr.com. Anyway, all the links will be in the video description, so don't worry about not hearing me right, okay, guys? You just gotta check my video description. So at Fiverr.com, you could actually find tons of different categories you can create a gig for. So when you're asking or looking for clients for the service that you want to do for other people, you create a gig. What it's called a gig is kind of like an ad for yourself. So you just create one of those, or you could create multiple. Some people create multiple for the same service, but they just name it differently, so you have more chances of getting clients. So you could go on there, look at all the different categories. There's like so many things that you can do, you can offer, and you know you're gonna have a skill that you can do, right? You just have to go look on Fiverr.com and check out the categories and look at subcategories, because there may be something that you can really do. And not only that, there are also gigs on there where people are hiring. So if you can look on those gigs and see if you can do any of those tasks and be a freelancer on a per job basis like that, okay, guys? And the 4th thing you can do is being a YouTuber. Yes, it is a real thing that you can actually earn money on YouTube. It's really true. There are actually multiple ways that you can earn on YouTube. But if in order to do that, you basically just need a phone. Like right now, I'm just recording on my phone right now, and you could just offer some things that you know to other people, like show somebody to do something that you know. Everybody knows something that somebody else doesn't know. So all you gotta do is create a channel about a topic that you really like to talk about, and that's something that you can actually offer some value to other people. So like, let's say you like cooking, okay? You like to do recipes or whatever it may be. I don't like cooking, okay? I'm not gonna do a channel on that. So if you like cooking, you can do a channel on that, and it's like you're gonna have a lot of views. And so once you get a good following on your YouTube channel, then you can start monetizing it with ads, with Google ads, and you can actually earn a lot of money if you're consistent posting videos every week and every month. You gotta do it every week though, okay? At least once a week. And if you can do that long term, you will see awesome results, okay? And there's other ways to monetize your YouTube channel later on when you get bigger following. Like you can have your own product if you want. You could promote other people's products as well. And again, earn the ads from your AdSense. Oh, and get sponsored. You can also get sponsorships too. So when you have a big channel, people start reaching out to you to ask you to do sponsored videos for them. So that's something that I'm currently also doing. So this is one of the ways that I am also earning money online, earning money from home as a stay-at-home mom. And so the fifth thing that I do, the fifth idea of a high-paying work-from-home job is being a blogger, guys. So my website, workanywherenow.com, it's a website about making money online, and I talk about a lot about affiliate marketing, and I teach people about affiliate marketing and teach people about how to start an online business, basically. So being a blogger, you can do it on any topic as well. So it's kind of like a YouTube channel, but if you don't want to do videos, that's the other thing you can do, is basically be a blogger. And what blogging does is that, I don't know if a lot of people know this, but when you blog a certain way, you can have the website attract visitors all by yourself or by itself. And so that's what my website does these days, okay? It did take a little while to like build the content, build the website, but once you have built it and it gains traction, it starts generating visitors by itself, guys, okay? So this way you can really earn passive income this way. You see the difference between the other jobs that I just mentioned and this one? This one and the YouTube, actually, you work on your own schedule and then you earn money on any time, okay? But it just, you gotta learn how to do it properly. And the way that I started blogging is by getting training. There is a special way you need to learn how to blog so that it can attract its own visitors. And I have a very powerful training that you can learn from for free at my website, workanywherenow.com. You can sign up right there and get my free training. And then I also tell you, if you want to go further and learn the actual skills, there is something that I show you on there as well in my training of how you could really make this work for you. Guys, I make thousands of dollars a month doing this blogging business, okay? And I use affiliate marketing to monetize my blog, okay? And it is the best way I find to make money online. All right, guys? So those are the 5 high-paying jobs that you can do from home and make some extra money for your family like I do. So I hope you really liked this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can see when my next video comes out and learn more about how to make money online. All right, guys. Thank you again for coming to my video today. I appreciate it. I hope I will see you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.